Hey everybody, I hope you're doing well. I've got a $1 Blizzard Bucks card. This scratcher, you can win up to $5,000. Match any of your numbers to the winning numbers, win that prize. If you reveal a dollar symbol roll of money, you win double that prize shown. So again, win up to $5,000. Let's just see what are the winning numbers. 3 and 5. How does this work? Winning number. You just get one winning number? 1, 2, 7, 13. Your numbers to the winning number. 1, 2, 3. Nope, I didn't get a 3, so I didn't win. This is not a winner.